Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maz Naturals and I'm coming to you today with a video on how you can use old clothing to wrap your locks. You might not have a scarf, you might not have a wrap, but you can use anything. So today I've got a jumpsuit, an old jumpsuit. It's my daughter's jumpsuit. She discarded it, so I thought, let me just try and see if I can use it as a wrap because I like the colour. And these are my old leggings. You see that? My old leggings keep falling down, so I'm going to use it as a wrap. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll be alerted of my up and coming videos. Stay tuned to the next part of this video on how I use these pieces. So guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you found those styles useful. Remember just to play around with different looks and just see which one you like. Use your old leggings, use your old t-shirts, use your old jumpsuits, whatever you fancy. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell. So stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.